What if I told you that the SUV you've been waiting for, the one that merges luxury, rugged capability, and groundbreaking technology, is almost here? Introducing the 2025 Honda Pilot Black Edition, the most advanced and luxurious SUV Honda has ever built. Stick around, because in the next 20 minutes, we're diving into everything you need to know about this game-changing ride. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll never miss our latest car reviews and updates. Let's jump in. Let's start with what grabs your attention first, the design. The 2025 Honda Pilot Black Edition commands the road with its aggressive yet elegant styling. Its gloss black grille, 20-inch alloy wheels, and full LED lighting elevate its premium appeal. Colors like Radiant Red Metallic 2 and Crystal Black Pearl make sure you'll always turn heads, whether in the city or on the trails. Step inside, and you're greeted with sophistication at every turn. The Black Edition offers perforated leather seats with custom stitching and exclusive Black Edition badging. It's not just about looks, comfort is king here. The spacious cabin accommodates up to 8 passengers with ease, and the panoramic moonroof gives you a front row seat to the stars. Honda has redefined modern luxury with a digital-first approach. From a crisp 10.2-inch driver display to a 9-inch infotainment screen, every detail is designed for your convenience. And yes, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. Under the hood, the 2025 Pilot Black Edition packs a punch with a 3.5L V6 engine delivering 285 horsepower. But it's not just raw power, this SUV is all about versatility. Whether you're towing up to 5,000 pounds or cruising with Honda's iVTM4 all-wheel drive system, the Pilot adapts to your every need. With 7 driving modes, including trail and sand, you're prepared for any adventure. Plus, features like hill descent control and independent suspension make every ride smoother and safer, even on rugged paths. Technology in the 2025 Pilot Black Edition doesn't just keep you entertained, it makes your journey smarter. The Trail Watch camera system gives you live feeds of your surroundings, perfect for off-road enthusiasts. And with the Honda Sensing Suite, features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking make every drive safer. From built-in Google integration to wireless charging and advanced voice controls, the Black Edition ensures you're always connected. Honda knows safety isn't optional. That's why the 2025 Pilot Black Edition comes with a surround view camera, blind spot monitoring, and even rear seat reminders to ensure no passenger gets left behind. For families, the hands-free power tailgate and ample cargo space make grocery runs and weekend getaways a breeze. So, what do you think? The 2025 Honda Pilot Black Edition isn't just another SUV, it's a statement of luxury, capability, and innovation. Whether you're conquering mountain trails or city streets, this SUV has you covered. Ready to see it for yourself? Mark your calendars for 2025 and visit your nearest Honda showroom if you're excited about the 2025 Pilot Black Edition. Let us know in the comments. And make sure to check out our other videos for more upcoming car reviews. Thanks for watching.